Hey, I'm Remy Metailler, we're in Squamish, and I'm gonna talk to you about my setup on my Cube Stereo 29. This trail bike is a Cube Stereo 29. It's a 150mm travel on the back, 160 on the front. Normally it's a 29 wheels, so I've been riding since last year with a pair of LG1 Air Enduro 29. But today is actually going to be the second day where I put a 27.5 wheel on the back. This is a TRS wheel, which is more the trail wheel. On the front, I got the TRS Air, which is a carbon chain guide, so it's a carbon base with a quick release. It's really convenient for enduro and just to work on the bike. That makes things easier. It's like one less screw to worry about. And on the back, I got the E13 TRS Plus cassettes. So this one is a 11 speed, also exists in 12. So that's a 11 speed 946Ts. Obviously, I've been on this bike on the same model of bike since over a year. With that model, which is a Stereo 150, I've really enjoyed it. I've done with it from big trail ride to gaps in the bike park to urban downhill races. I've done a ton of stuff with this bike, and I'm really liking it. So for the Squamish with slow riding, I'm usually on this setup with those tires, 21 psi on the front, 23 psi on the back. And I'm 65 kilo, which is about 145 pounds. To me, 21, 23 psi is what works the best. I get really good damping, so good absorption of the impact, very good reliability and very good traction. So yeah, really stoked on this setup.